If you're figuring out what to do with your recycled waste, here's a fun and creative way of upcycling your recycled waste while also supporting local bird life in your garden. For your upcycled bird feeder, what you'll need is a clean carton, some paint and paintbrushes for decoration, a nice sturdy string to hang, and scissors or a box cutter to make your opening. And last but not least, your bird feed for your upcycled bird feeder. You want to start by making your opening with your scissors or box cutter on your carton. Make sure your opening is big enough for you to easily pour in feed and for birds to access. I left a little bit of room below, about an inch, for birds to latch on and for any feed to not be falling off while you're pouring or while birds are congregating on the feeder. Once you got your opening done, then you can go on to painting your bird feeder. This is where you can be as creative as you want. You can either blend in your bird feeder with the surroundings of your garden or make it stand out and be creative and vibrant. Once your feeder is nicely painted, you can then move on to the hanging process. What you'll need is your nice sturdy string and cut it to the appropriate size of where you'll be hanging it. I cut mine about 1 foot long. Make holes on each side of your carton. This is where your string be going inside, so that way you can easily hang it on a tree. Once your string is through, then your bird feeder is ready to be hanged. This bird feeder is just one of many ways you can upcycle your waste, but also support local wildlife. For more videos like these, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.